Hello, good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. So, today we are going to start our session. See, yesterday what we have done, sine rule we did. Okay. So, in last lecture, that is sine rule we did. Okay, sine rule. So we did sine rule. So what is sine rule? Okay, sine rule is what? A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. Getting it? And that is equal to 2R. This is sine rule. Then now we are going to prove cosine rule. Okay, students, cosine rule. Sine rule, then cosine rule. So what is this cosine rule? Pay attention here. Cosine rule we are going to prove. So first of all, we write the statement of cosine rule. What is this cosine rule? Pay attention here. See, in any triangle ABC, okay, so what is this cosine rule? Pay attention. In any triangle ABC, we are going to prove now cosine rule in any triangle ABC. You remember this, in triangle ABC, okay, A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC into cos of A. This is what cosine rule. So B square is equal to what? A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B, and C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. This is what cosine rule. Now we are going to prove this cosine rule. So we prove this cosine rule. Yes, pay attention. Cosine rule we prove. So for this we take this some construction, geometric construction we are doing. So what geometric construction we are doing here? So you consider this triangle ABC. Okay, so consider triangle ABC. This is what? Triangle ABC. Now look at this triangle ABC. So what arrangement you have to take? See this. We consider triangle ABC. Okay. Now here in this triangle ABC, we are taking vertex A of this triangle at, see here, vertex A at triangle of this triangle at the origin. Okay, here this A is, and along AB we are taking x-axis, and the line which is perpendicular to x-axis, this line through A, that is we denote it by, it is y-axis. So what geometric construction you have to do for to prove cosine rule? So look at this triangle ABC, this vertex A we take at the origin, along this AB we take x-axis and the line which is perpendicular to x-axis through A as what? Y-axis. This is our geometric construction. Now clearly this A is at the origin. So what will be the coordinates of A? Please reply here. What will be coordinates of A? What will be coordinates of A? So coordinates of A will be equal to what? 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. And our usual notations, side opposite to angle A we denote by small a, side opposite to angle B we denote by small b, and side opposite to angle C we denote by what? Small c, small c. Then very good. Yes Dia, your answer is right, absolutely right. You replied it, your answer is right. So coordinates of A will be 0, 0. Now see this AB distance, pay attention here, AB distance is equal to what? C, and this B point is on x-axis. Can anybody tell coordinates of B here? Can anybody tell coordinates of B? What will be coordinates of B? Here, what will be coordinates of B? This distance is what? C, and B point is on x-axis. Okay, so what must be coordinates of B? What must be coordinates of B? Yes, anybody? So I am waiting for your answer. What should be coordinates of B? Hurry up, reply. Absolutely right, because this point is on x-axis, so y coordinate of this point will be 0, and x coordinate is the distance of point from the origin, that is equal to what? C. Absolutely right. Okay. Lakshmi Bhavar, yes, your answer is right. Kajal, your answer is right, very good. Or Isha, many students are answering, very nice. Abhi, see this angle. Now look at this angle. What is this angle? See this A is, don't forget that this A is at the origin. Origin is here. Okay, by mistake it is outside, but the origin is what? Here. See A is at the origin. Okay, now this angle is what? What is this angle? A. Now here, see the basic concept we are going to see. What are the polar coordinates of the point? Suppose we are taking this point over here. See P point we are taking over here, and this is what? The origin, x-axis, y-axis. Suppose we join this OP, here pay attention, this OP. Can you tell what will be the coordinates of P? This angle is theta, and this angle is, this length is what? R. So can anybody tell what must be coordinates of the point P? Okay, polar coordinates of the point P. What will be polar coordinates of the point P? Yes, please answer. I am waiting for your answer. Here, what will be polar coordinates of the point P? Okay, this is R and this is theta. So we have seen polar coordinates of the point. So what will be polar coordinates of the point P? Please, लिंगन लिंक you please थोड़ा join करो और everything is okay or not, please check it. What must be coordinates of P? No one answer. R theta. Very, very good. Priyanka, Lakshmi, yes, your answer is absolutely right. R theta are the polar coordinates of this point. Okay. Then what must be coordinates of C? What must be coordinates of C? In place of R, there is B, and this angle is what? A. So can anybody tell what will be coordinates of C here? Coordinates of C will be what? B cos A, okay, and B sin A, B cos A and B sin A, okay. So what will be coordinates of this? Cartesian coordinates will be x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to what? R sin theta are the coordinates of this point, okay. So accordingly B and A are the polar coordinates. So Cartesian coordinates will be b cos a and b sin a. Are you agree with this? Yes? No. So coordinates of C are what? B cos a and b sin a. Coordinates of a are 0, 0. Coordinates of b are c, 0. What is this distance AC? Distance AC is equal to what? B. Now, so here BC AC is equal to what? See, AC is equal to how much? AC is equal to, what is this AC distance? It is equal to B. Therefore B square is equal to AC square. B square is equal to what? AC square. What are the coordinates of A? 0, 0. What are the coordinates of C? B cos A, B cos A, B sin A are the coordinates. So by distance formula, okay, by distance formula, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Okay, so we apply this formula here, distance formula over here. So b cos A minus 0 whole square sorry, I am extremely sorry here. Look at this AC. Okay, what are the coordinates of B? Okay, it is C0. C0 are the coordinates of B. Now BC is equal to, what is BC? It is equal to A. Therefore A square is equal to BC square. We apply here distance formula. So A square will be equal to BC square, x1 minus x2 square, that is B cos A minus C whole square plus y1 minus y2 square, B sin A minus 0 whole square. Now we will expand it. A square is equal to, expand the right hand side, B square cos square A minus 2BC into cos A plus C square. This is expansion of the first bracket. What will be the expansion of the second bracket? It is B square sin square A. Okay, B square sin square A. Now we will collect B square cos square A and B square sin square A over here. So A square is equal to B square common cos square A plus sin square A minus 2BC cos A plus C square, and finally it will be equal to what? Therefore A square is equal to, what is this? Cos square A, sin square A, everybody know it is equal to what? 1. So it will be B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A, So therefore we have A square, we have proved that A square is equal to, what we have proved here? A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A, So this is what we have to prove. Now similarly we can show that B square is equal to what? B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B, and C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. 2ab cos c. So this is what cosine rule. Okay. Now you should note that this cosine rule, once again I will show this. Here we want to prove this cosine rule. A square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a, b square equal to c square minus c square plus a square minus 2ac cos b. So for this you will take this a, vertex a of the triangle ABC at the origin, and along AB we are taking x-axis, and through a line perpendicular to x-axis we take as y-axis. So accordingly you are getting coordinates of a as 0 0, coordinates of b as c0, coordinates of c as b cos a, b sin a. Now look at this, bc is equal to what? A. So a square is bc square. We apply here square of the distance formula. This is square of the distance formula, and you are getting after expansion a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Okay. So similarly we can write here b square equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos a. This is what cosine rule we have proved. Now the cosine rule you can put in different form. As see in what form we can put the cosine rule. You should note that, ये आपको नोट करना है. You can put in the different form. Cosine rule we can put in the form, ये अभी आप सॉल्व करते, we'll take this in the left hand side, 2bc cos a. So 2bc cos a will be equal to what? B square plus c square minus a square, and finally cos a will be equal to what? B square plus c square minus a square अपॉन 2bc. ये ऐसे भी आप याद रख सकते हैं. ठीक है. कोसाइन रूल यू कैन रिमेंबर इन दिस वे आल्सो. ओके. दोनों फॉर्म में आपको याद रखना है. ओके. बिकॉज इन some problems you have to use this form, in some problem you have to use this form. Okay. So what must be cos of b? Can anybody tell what will be cos of b? It will be equal to what? A square plus c square minus what? Minus what? It is b square upon what? It is 2ac, and cos of c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. This is what cosine rule. Furthermore we are going to prove projection rule. So what is this projection rule? Yes, projection rule. So we are going to prove now projection rule. So what is our projection rule? Next is projection rule. Next is projection rule. So what is this projection rule? In triangle ABC, here in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, A is equal to, B is equal to, and C is equal to. A is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. B is equal to a cos c plus c cos a, and C is equal to a cos b plus b cos a. This is what projection rule. Okay, it is projection rule. Now we are going to prove projection rule. Okay, so for this, to prove projection rule, we use here cosine rule. Okay, so let us prove this projection rule. Here we want to prove a equal to b cos c plus c cos b. Okay, so look at this right hand side. RHS of, see what is RHS? RHS is b cos c plus C cos B. C cos B. Okay. Now here we use cosine rule. Okay. So by using cosine rule, what we will get? B is equal to B into what is this? Cos C, by using cosine rule. So by using cosine rule, cos C is equal to what? A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB, upon what? 2AB plus C into cos B. So what is this cos B? It is A square plus C square minus B square, okay, minus B square upon 2AC, upon what? 2AC. So this is by what? Sine rule. Okay, this is by what? This is by cosine rule. Okay, it is by cosine rule. Now this we wrote by using cosine rule. What we can cancel over here? This B we can cancel, C we can cancel. Okay, then it is 2A. What is the LCM of denominator? What is left in denominator? 2A is left in denominator. Okay, so 2A is left in denominator. Okay, 2A is left in denominator. A square plus B square minus C square plus A square plus C square minus B square, okay, minus B square. Okay, now what we can cancel over here? ये B square हम cancel करेंगे, C square भी cancel करेंगे, and here we are getting what is left over here? A square plus A square, that is 2A square upon 2A. What will be this? After cancelling, you will get A only. You will get what? A only. So we are getting here A only. This is what? LHS. So we have proved this. B cos C plus C cos B equal to A. Similarly, you can prove A cos C plus C cos A is equals to B. Similarly, you can prove A cos B plus B cos A equal to what? C. This is what? Projection rule. Okay, it is projection rule. Now, very good. You have answered that. Rutuja Bhavar, you answered. Dia Lokulwad, you also answered. Very good. So this is what? Projection rule. Now, we will do questions on this. Okay, we will do questions on this. So you have to remember all these three rules, that is sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. So let us do question number 5 on page number 88. We will do question number 5 on page number 88. See question number 5 from the exercise 3.2. Question number 5. See, with usual notations we want to prove that, okay, you have to prove that 2 times of A sine square C by 2 plus C sine square A by 2, C sine square A by 2, that is equal to A minus B plus C, that is equal to A minus B plus C. So we want to prove this. Here LHS we consider, listen here, LHS we consider, this 2 will take inside, so 2A sine square C by 2 plus 2C sine square A by 2, sine square A by 2, this is our LHS. Abhi 1 minus cos theta is equal to, can anybody answer 1 minus cos theta is equal to what? Identity. 1 minus cos theta, you can type over here. Okay, see this answer you can type over here, 1 minus cos theta. Those who remember this answer, please type it. Okay, and I will be waiting for your answer. 1 minus cos theta, which is equal to, yes, 1 minus cos theta. What is this? Anybody remember 1 minus cos theta? See, the answer is this, 2 sin square theta by 2. Yes, some, हाँ, very good, very good. दिया, आपने आंसर दिया, और श्रद्धा ने आंसर दिया, very good, and your answer is absolutely right, 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, you are trying to type it, very good. So here 2 sin square c by 2 and 2 sin square a by 2, what is to be right over here? So it is a into, okay, 2 sin square c by 2, write 1 minus cos of c plus this c into 1 minus cos of a, 1 minus cos of a. Rutuja, your answer is right. Mansi, Donkar, good. What about the other students? They should also answer, try to answer it. It's a very interesting topic, and you please take interest. Here LHS is equal to a minus a cos c, will expand this bracket, plus c minus c cos a. Okay, so a plus c will write together, a plus c will write together, minus sin a cos c plus c cos a. Okay, can anybody answer this? What is this bracket? What I should write in place of this bracket? In place of this bracket, what I should write? We are using here projection rule. So we are using here projection rule. So what is to be right in place of that bracket? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. I will be waiting for this answer. What is to write in place of that bracket? B. Absolutely right, beta. Yes. More answers I required. Okay, some few students, they are answering A and B class. Priyanka Kaspate, your answer B, very good. Baki students, near about 100, more than 100 students are there, but less response I am getting here. So it is equal to A plus C, and this is equal to what? B by projection rule. Okay, it is by projection rule. It is by projection rule. So therefore, so it is A plus RHS. Okay, it is what? RHS. This is to be proved here. See this RHS. A plus C minus B, or A minus B plus C. Okay. Isha Chavan, very good. Sneha Navgre. Okay, good. More answers are required. Now, first of all, we will do 9th question, finish with very short time. Okay, so first of all, we will do 9th question. Question number 9. See, what is this question number 9? With usual notations, we prove that, what is to prove here? Prove that 2 times of BC cos A plus AC cos B, very simple question it is, AC cos B plus AB cos C plus what? AB cos C, that is equal to what? To prove A square plus B square plus C square, A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, it's a very simple question. LHS we start here. Solution LHS is equal to, okay, this 2 will take inside the bracket, 2 BC cos A plus 2 AC cos B plus 2ab cos c, 2ab cos c. Now see here, cos a, cos b and cos c. Okay, cos a, cos b and cos c. This is equal to 2bc cos a. What is cos a? It is, by cosine rule, it is equal to what? B square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc plus 2ac into cos b. What is this cos b? It is a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac plus 2ab into cos c. Cos c is what? A square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab, upon 2ab. Yes. Now here we cancel 2bc, you cancel, 2ac we cancel, and 2ab we cancel. Then what is left over here? That is to be right here. It is very simple. It is b square plus c square minus a square plus a square plus c square minus b square plus a square plus b square minus c square. Now we cancel. What we cancel here? This c square नेगेटिव है, ये प्लस है, ये बी स्क्वायर और ये बी स्क्वायर कैंसिल होगा, माइनस ए स्क्वायर और ये प्लस ए स्क्वायर इज गेटिंग कैंसिल. देन व्हाट इज लेफ्ट ओवर हियर? इट इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर. यस, डन. इट इज RHS. okay, it is RHS. done. Then next question we will do here. We will do the next question, that is question number 8. That is question number 8. Here question number 8. We will do now question number 8. As earlier I told you, 10th, 11th and 12th question is not there for exam. It is deleted portion. So question number 8, in triangle ABC, if in triangle ABC, if what? A cos A cos A is equal to A cos A is equal to B cos B, B cos B, then what to prove here? It is either right angle or it is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. So proof is very simple. Now look at this. What is given? Then what to prove here? Then prove that it is either right angle triangle or it is isosceles triangle. So let us complete this proof. A into cosine rule we use here. Okay. We use cosine rule over here. And what is this cosine rule? Cos of A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC plus it is equal to B into what? Cos B. Cos B. It is A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Upon what? 2AC. Now let us cancel this. What we can cancel over here? This 2, this C and C we cancel. Okay. After cancelling this, take cross multiplication. So cross multiplication will give you A square into B square plus C square minus A square. And this cross multiplication will give you B square into A square plus C square minus B square. Now furthermore, after expanding the bracket, Okay, after expanding the bracket, you are getting here a square b square. Here you are getting a square b square. So that is getting cancelled over here. Okay, first of all you expand this a square b square plus a square into c square minus a square plus b square a square. Sorry, it is equal to sign over here. Is equal to b square into a square plus b square into this remaining two terms c square minus b square. Okay, so here this is getting cancelled, a square in b square, a square b square is getting cancelled. Then what is left over here? A square c square minus a to the power 4 is equal to b square c square minus b raised to power 4 minus b raised to power 4. Then we'll take this a raised to power 4 to the right hand side and b square c square in the left hand side. A square c square minus b square c square is equal to a raised to power 4 minus b raised to power 4. So you are taking here c square common. We are taking here c square common. So it will be a square minus b square, and what will be the right hand side? Right hand side we write a square minus b square into a square plus b square into a square plus b square. Okay, so that if a is not equal to b, then this is not equal to 0 and we can cancel it. There are two cases. We can cancel it and you will get c square equal to a square plus b square. What did you infer? This is the right angle at C. Okay, it is a right angle at C. And if other possibility is what? Or a is equal to b. There are two possibilities, either a is equal to b or a is not equal to b. If a is equal to b, then it is isosceles. Then it is what? Isosceles triangle. So at this moment we are going to stop our lecture. So we'll stop